Hello students, today we are going to learn about anti-leprotic drugs. So first of all, the introduction. Leprosy is a chronic infectious disease in which peripheral nerves are damaged, and this is occurred due to the Mycobacterium leprae, the bacteria which is responsible for leprosy, and an acid-fast bacilli. It is also called as Hansen's disease. Now the types of leprosy. Leprosy is divided into two types. First one is tuberculoid leprosy and second one is lepromatous leprosy. In tuberculoid leprosy, there is prominent patches on the skin, and in case of lepromatous leprosy, there is diffuse patches on skin. So skin lesion, if it is treated not well, so it will also causes atrophy, which is decreased functions of muscles or some parts of the body. So next is the classification of the leprosy. Leprosy is classified into the three categories. Number one is sulfones. The example is dapsone and solapsone. And the second category is phenazine derivatives. It contains example is clofazimine. And the third category is disubstituted thioureas. The example is thiambutocin. So first is dapsone. We can also call it as DDS. So dapsone is a derivative which is derived from diamino diphenyl sulfones. So this is the structure of dapsone, bis 4,4 diamino phenyl and sulfone derivative, and the another name we can also call it as 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfone. So this is all about the structure of dapsone. Now the dapsone, DDS, diamino diphenyl sulfone, it is the cheapest drug used in the treatment of leprosy, and the brand name of the drug is dapsone or DDS. Now if we talk about the physical properties of the dapsone, it is occur as white or creamy white crystalline powder which is slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in ethanol. So it is also soluble in dilute mineral acid. Now the stability and the storage of dapsone, since it is affected by light, so dapsone is stored in well closed light resistant container. If we talk about the official of dapsone is available as dapsone IPBP and dapsone tablet IP and BP. Solapsone is another sulfone having actions and uses of sulfone to which it is partially metabolized. Solapsone consists mainly of tetrasodium salt of bis para 3-phenyl 1,3-disulfopropylamino phenyl sulfones, and it is used in the treatment of leprosy. If we talk about the physical properties of solapsone, it occurs as white powder which is soluble in water, and practically it is insoluble in alcohol, and it has been given by mouth in the treatment of leprosy, but it can very much common by subcutaneous and intramuscular injection also. So now the storage and stability of solapsone, it is stored in well closed container and it is used as anti-leprotic agent with the brand name of sulfatron. Now the next drug in the category of anti-leprotic drug is thiambutocin, which is a thiourea derivative, and the structure is 1,4-butoxyphenyl 3,4-dimethyl-aminophenyl thiourea. Now this is the thiourea nucleus. The physical property, it is a white or creamy white crystalline powder, and the storage, it is kept in well closed light resistant container protected from light. Uses, it is basically used in the treatment of dermatitis herpetiformis. So this is all about thiambutocin. Clofazimine is a dye-related phenazine derivative. So here is the phenazine derivative and the drug clofazimine. 3,4 chloroanilino, 10,4 chlorophenyl, 2,10 dihydro, 2-isopropyl aminophenazine. So this is the IUPAC name of the drug clofazimine. So if we talk about the physical properties of the clofazimine, it forms dark red crystal or reddish brown fine powder, and practically it is insoluble in water but soluble in chloroform and slightly soluble in ethanol. And when it is dissolved in water with the solution of hydrochloric acid, it gives violet colored precipitates. And if we talk about the storage and stability of clofazimine, it should be stored in well closed container. The uses of clofazimine, it is used as potent antileprotic agent. And if we talk about the official of clofazimine, it is occur as clofazimine capsule IP. Brand name of clofazimine is Clofazid, Famizine, etc. Thank you so much, student. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.